I just hit 100 video. This is my 100th video. I had a video planned for today, recorded it, I even edited it. However, I don't want to double upload because it's going to mess up the algorithm. So I'm just going to drop this video pointing out how, I don't know how, I finally hit 100 videos. I remember back when I started the Global 3 channel, I didn't think I could hit 100 videos. That would be crazy. That was one of the little things on the YouTube YouTube Studios thing. Like, go hit 100 videos. A lot of people say, don't even focus on YouTube until you hit 100 videos. I've hit 100 videos. Let me close this. But I've hit 100 videos now. It's been just a couple days over 6 years. And honestly, I feel amazing. Hold on. I'm gonna open up a new tab and just because I have something show y'all my stats. Because honestly, man, I am so just happy that I hit this goal, because this is my first channel, right? Been on YouTube for a long time, right? So I'm gonna just quickly prop up my channel page and stuff so y'all can see where I'm at, right? But I don't know if I should read out my stats now. No, I'm gonna put it full screen so I can show y'all what I'm talking about. But 100 videos, 173 subscribers, and now I'm taking this thing seriously. I'm posting every day. Bro, I'm happy, bro. I'm happy. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. No plan. So obviously, I did my little thing. I don't know how to fix this quality. I don't know what to do. But anywho, 173 subscribers, 99 videos, right? Lifetime 14.1K. I don't know how I'm at 14.1K because I got an email today, not too long ago, saying I hit 14K, right, with 99 videos. We don't only have 14 videos. Wait, no, I don't know. This is the last 14 days. I was confused for a second, but 14 last 3 days, 14 days, 14 videos, right? I feel hype, bruh. Obviously the views have tanked because let me mute this. I don't know. I hope you guys can't hear that. You see, where's my Young Boy video is doing good. All right, 257 views compared to all my others. I like this thumbnail a lot. I worked hard for this thumbnail. I did the thumbnail for good 3 videos. I don't even know. I don't know if I should go back to doing that, but look at all these other. I didn't know thumbnail these. This video went crazy. I'm telling you, bro. I used to post on YouTube a bunch of Fortnite stuff. This was 5 years ago. So I had my channel before this.
Near my house, and once a week it stinks like cow shit.
And then obviously this got a lot of views. I remember this video. This was a good one. I'm not trying to play any videos to get copyrighted. I'm sad this video didn't do as good because I really like the Beautiful Little Song. I like this video as well. I forget these videos. I remember this one. Scotch, I remember that too. I love my Astrid video. Man, the real ones know about this one. I need to look at this video again. Forgot about that. Love this video. Love this video. Love this video. 3.6. Love it. And then this one I switched 1 year. Just keep this in mind. I was doing good. And then I took breaks. And then but now I'm back. Took me a while. And I took a little break. Back. Dropping. Just dropping. Boom, 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 boom. boom, 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 boom. The algorithm had no choice. It had no choice besides to push your boy out. I'm getting 170 feet, which I thought it was gonna take a lot more before I gain subs. I guess I'm getting subs. It's crazy. Even it's probably gonna be about that. But man, I'm happy. I don't know what I can show here, so I'm not gonna show everything. Man, I'm thankful for this. Very thankful, and hopefully keeps on going, keeps on, keep going. And I'm just so happy.
Damn quick with the thinking.
You know, like most days, I look back at my videos and it's like try to like change them. Like one thing, like obviously right now it don't show like the red and stuff because I've been trying to just look back and see how I can improve them. But I like this video right here. And this one, it's just crazy. I'll be trying to like prove what I say at least. I really don't do as much eye contact. I'll try to do more. My latest videos, if you guys should check that out. Compared to my other ones. Yeah, man, I'm happy, and hopefully, my life continues, and I'm able to really do this. Look, man, that's all I have to say. Thank you, like, subscribe, and yeah, hopefully we keep grinding, and hopefully this thing changes. We're gonna get monetized this year. I know that for a fact, and yeah, thank you.